Wah 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 wah.
Oh my gosh, Doris, what's up?
My water broke.
Let's take you to the hospital. Doctor, is she going to be okay?
Yes, she's just having babies, and she needs to push. Good job, you have 2 girls. Oh wow, that's amazing. Well, anyone, what should we name them?
Let's name one Emily.
And the other one Lily.
I like those names. Well, what do you think about them?
They look cool.
Me too.
Me 3. Me 4. They look stupid.
Rosie, in the car, now. All right, Rosie, since you call the new baby stupid again for the 3rd time, you are getting a punishment day. People watching, leave your comments down below to see what punishments that you want Rosie to have. The punishment day video will be coming out soon. See you then.